So today, I'm having this truck ceramic coated. Let's talk about it.
Hey guys, it's Kevin, owner of Lavish Lux Auto Spa, and we are trained with mobile detailing, and we also trained and certified with ceramic coating applications. Today we are going to do a ceramic coating, a 5-year ceramic coating on this beautiful F150, and just look at the results afterwards. So right now, the next step after we did the wash and the clay bar, the decontamination, now we're going to do a paint correction. So we're going to basically polish out any light swirls or imperfections that they may have in the paint. So that way, once we lay the ceramic coating, it's going to seal everything in.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we completed the paint correction, got the vehicle all shiny. 99% of the vehicle is scratch free. We brought back the shine. So now what we're doing is we're laying the ceramic coating on the panels. So once we finish laying the coating, we have to leave it overnight for it to cure, at least 24 hours. And then it cures and get hard like glass. So that way nothing sticks to it, and it's always going to give you that high gloss and showroom shine.
Now let me ask you a question. How many years does this last?
So this one lasts 5 years, and we warranty it up to 4 years.
Okay.
So as long as you garage keep your vehicles, it actually lasts a little bit longer. But don't tell nobody I tell you that.
A few moments later.
So, we finished?
Alright, Pete. Yep. So basically we coated everything exterior on your truck. So we coated the exterior paint, got coated, all the black trims got coated, your side steps, your rims. We did your windshield, got ceramic coated as well.
Oh, shiny.
And then, not to mention your fender wells too.
Fender wells?
Yes, sir.
Man, this came out sick. Look how shiny that is. Wow. All right, man.
And then the good thing is that once you leave it in the garage and it cures, as it cures, it gets shinier. So this is just the base shine right now.
All right, very good, man. Thank you.
You're welcome. So if you guys ever want any type of ceramic coating done, polishing, detailing, check out our website, lavishluxautospa.com, and just give us a call.
It is the truck.